Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that everyone can relate to, and that's thinking about buying something. We all have things that we want or need, but sometimes it's hard to know whether we should make the purchase or not. In this video, we'll discuss some tips and tricks to help you make an informed decision when you're thinking about buying something. Step 1. Identify the need. Before you make a purchase, it's important to identify why you want or need the item. Is it something that will make your life easier, save you time, or improve your quality of life in some way? Or is it something that you just want because it's cool or trendy? Understanding why you want or need the item can help you determine whether it's worth the investment. Step 2. Consider your budget. Once you've identified the need for the item, it's time to consider your budget. How much money do you have available to spend on this item? Can you afford it right now, or will you need to save up for it? If you do need to save up, how long will it take you to do so? These are all important questions to ask yourself before making a purchase. Step 3. Research the product. Before you buy anything, it's important to do your research. Look up reviews of the product you're interested in to see what other people are saying about it. Are there any common issues or complaints? Is it worth the price tag? You can also check out different retailers to compare prices and see if there are any sales or discounts available. Step 4. Consider the long-term value. When you're thinking about buying something, it's important to consider the long-term value of the item. Will it last for a long time, or will it need to be replaced in a year or two? Is it something that you'll use often, or will it just sit in a closet collecting dust? If the item has long-term value, it may be worth the investment. Step 5. Consider alternative options. Before you make a purchase, it's also important to consider alternative options. Is there a cheaper version of the item available? Can you borrow or rent the item instead of buying it? Are there other products that can accomplish the same goal? By considering alternative options, you may be able to save money or find a better solution. Step 6. Sleep on it. Finally, before you make a purchase, it's always a good idea to sleep on it. Give yourself some time to think about the purchase and whether it's really worth it. Sometimes, taking a break from the decision-making process can give you a fresh perspective and help you make a better decision. And there you have it, some tips and tricks to help you make an informed decision when you're thinking about buying something. Remember to identify the need, consider your budget, research the product, consider the long-term value, consider alternative options, and sleep on it. By following these steps, you'll be able to make smart purchasing decisions that you'll be happy with in the long run. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.